Members of the Mahila Congress from state, districts and blocks had gathered at MAWPHLANG on 14th October 2021 to show their support to the Congress candidate for the by-elections to the 24 MAWPHLANG Assembly Constituency, Khyriem. Those present included the President of the State Mahila Congress Committee, Job S. SHYLLA, General Secretaries KATHLEEN MARBANIANG and WANDANA PASWET, the President of Shillong City, MEBAAILANG KHARKONGOR, All India Congress Media Coordinator Meghalaya Chapter PARIAT, MAWPHLANG Block President RISHOT KHARHUNAI, various district and block presidents of the Mahila Congress Committee, as well as Congress WOMENFOK of MAWPHLANG and other constituencies. During the meeting, the All India Congress Committee Media Coordinator Meghalaya Chapter PARIAT said that the Congress Party is the only party that has given women a platform in society and has allowed them to serve the general public in all spheres of activity. She appealed to all members of the Mahila Congress Committee to work together as a team in order to achieve victory.
Di anda ngilami shabaru ngilala emben keren tau pai ba habai ka konstituensi la ngimla ban ban ha shabar bi puntre ayu haye kidang bon ki kedrum kendram shabar bi ban ha no tinggal ngej kem hakini ke kenti ladak hi kilong kebe pitre shitom ngej kem ngin ket yo so ka jigjok ngasgo kumba ngin jab shisha namar ba ka jigwan jok hi hangdiru kolong ban kenjab.
Speaking to Media Plus, the President of the State Mahila Congress Committee, Job S. SHYLLA, said that the women folk had come together to lend their support to the Congress candidate for the by-elections from MAWPHLANG constituency, Khyriem. On the stiff competition that may exist between candidates, Job Scott SHYLLA ruled out the same since one of the candidates, she said, is new to the field and people who are looking for development are wise enough to vote for somebody who would look into the welfare and well-being of the constituency.
By what we have seen and we have heard around town that most of the people would go for Eugene because of the sympathy vote. So will that stand?
I don't understand why would people go for a sympathy vote. Now we are not talking about, we are talking about development. If we want development in a constituency or in the state, we can't fall into sympathy mode. We should think of what the representative of the constituency can bring development into the constituency and the block as a whole. But if we people still go into that sympathy mode, then we'll never grow. As it is, this young fellow, Eugene Lingdo, yeah, he's got a talent in football, right? And he's also represented the state. I think he's represented the state, and in his arena he's really good. But I think to bring him into politics, he's yet to learn the ropes of being a politician. And whereas Kennedy is already a seasoned politician. So at the end of the day, you need a seasoned politician to bring development to the constituency rather than a person who's yet to learn the ropes and yet to find out things as a politician. Because as far as I heard, he was really busy in his football, so probably he wasn't even there with his when his father was the minister. He wasn't around to help around with his dad or see how things work, but then he was more into football. So right now he's still green about where political thing is concerned. So I think if people are smart in the MAWPHLANG constituency, they would vote for a seasoned politician rather than a greenhorn.